Hi friends, let me show you this new countertop charging station for any contact charging phone like my iPhone MagSafe. We are going to install it in this new kitchen countertop. It will fit like this, you'll see. It comes ready to use. You just have to drill a hole 4.7 inches, install it, and you get the contact charging, and if you press it, you also get these outlets, even USB-A ports and 3 regular outlets, so you can use more electric accessories in your countertop, okay? You even get another outlet in the bottom if you want to connect something else in your kitchen countertop. Let's try it. Let's see. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we have a perfect fit. As you can see, it's in the countertop, okay? Great. And just so easy, you just have to plug it in the other end, okay? We're going to do that. We have already our outlet here. You want to put this to fix it, okay? Have this nut to fix it to the table so it won't move, okay? Perfect. So you have it underneath it, and now when you want to charge your phones here, you will be able to do it. And not only that, if you want to charge something else, you get the outlets, you get the USB ports here. So you can charge whatever you want in your kitchen counter. Ready. Let's plug it in and try it. Now we have everything ready. It is installed in the island countertop, and we can charge our devices. As you can see, this is a great option for your kitchen or your desk or whatever you want to use it, and it won't get a lot of space when you only want to use it to charge your phone. Okay, perfect. Really recommended. Thank you.